And we're back to learning Illustrator in the year day 96. Let me show you the color menu. We'll create a simple rectangle and you can find it at the top right. If you don't see that icon, go to Window, click on Color. It's very simple to use. Watch the top left, we have a white fill, and if I left click here on the scale, the fill color changes. At the top are the recently used swatches. We have the hex code, and then the default black, white and none. But if you click here on the top right of this menu, you can change it, for example, to grayscale, HSB, CMYK for print, and even web save. You can also invert the color. There's also an option to create new swatches if you want to create your own color combinations here. What if you wanted to change the stroke? Well, it's a good idea right here to show options, and then the menu gets a little bit bigger and you get these two swatches for fill and stroke back again. Let me increase the stroke width. So if you left click on the stroke, it's going to be in the forefront, and if you use the scale then, this will adjust the stroke color. So it's a good idea to use show options, and then you get a couple of more functions here. And this is how you can use the color menu in Illustrator. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.